a disaster that was. It got delayed over an hour. There was a crash on the M6, and those of you, the Stu, who know where we live, might say, why didn't you take the ferry from Birkenhead to Belfast? And the reason for that is we couldn't get a cab with a couple of cab. Okay, next stop is the Scottish borders. I go the way I know, so I would have gone down through Gretna, and that road takes you straight into Annan. This way takes you off. Turn around here, babe.
I didn't tell me to turn around, so I need to go the other way.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto A75.
Wedding cars, this is definitely a wedding set. Fancy building your businesses up on wedding.
This one, is it? It's the next one.
Yeah. A75 is taking you down. No.
Where am I going now?
Turn right now.
I wouldn't have driven down there, Terry.
I know, I would have stopped you. Newsflash. Car drives down the wrong side of the A75.
How's eight?
So,
Oh, God.
we got this hotel last minute, booked it yesterday, mainly because it was the only one in the area. The rest of the prices were 300 quid, £200, and this was really reasonable. Cal nearly walked away, but what do you think of it, Cal?
I would have walked away from the outside, but when I walked in and saw what they were doing, I was very impressed.
Yeah.
So I think that Terry ought to show you what the downstairs looks like.
Definitely.
Because that's what the upstairs is going to look like.
Right, so we're in the reception. I'll show you the outside later. So this is very clean and tidy.
Clean and tidy, immaculate. Look at the sofas. It's really comfy.
Yeah.
Look at these. Want these in my own?
That was brilliant. So we walk through. We'll try and keep this relatively quick. And here's the restaurants, dining area. How good is that? That's perfect.
So clean.
Yeah, that's beautiful. The only trouble is the landlord's a bit of an arsehole, but he's from London.
Are not fantastic by any shadow, right? But they are very, very clean. Sheets are clean, bath bits clean, everything.
Spotless. Its toilets
really,
are
really
spotless.
clean.
We ate here
Wine's
tonight as well,
good.
didn't we?
Yeah, the food was really, really good. So the new owners, give them a chance. I'd like to come back in a year's time and see where they are and see what's going on. Feel a bit like the hotel inspector.
Great value.
But yeah.
The best thing about it for me is you feel like you're amongst locals. It's not corpus, not your Savile Lodge.
Dogs can go in the back, is segregated area. So there is an area where dogs and families can come because it's so big downstairs, which is really, really nice. There was a family with 2 children, and I was talking to them, and they had a Labrador, and they were sat having dinner, and it was nice, but that was segregated from the other part of the restaurant.
So all in all, good little pit stop.
They
Got a breakfast
got
in the
it
morning.
right.
£60 we paid for the night. And we had a lovely time in the bar last night, didn't we, Cal?
Yeah.
Nice couple. A real back to the chateau style of project they've got on here. And good luck to them. After a late night in the bar last night, I'm just going to come down for breakfast. Well, that was a different stay. Worth the money. Lovely breakfast, nice enough evening meal, and then I've got a big project on. Rough weather this morning. It's quite choppy out there, and we're crossing the sea.
I've just been informed it hasn't stopped raining since Monday afternoon in Ireland.
Yeah. Mind you, it's only Wednesday morning, isn't it?
The day that I can get back to Sicily or Italy. Oh.
Well, our first sight of Cairnryan as we come into just past Stranraer. Nasty accident back there as well. So P&O Larne, this is us here.
Turn left now and then enter the roundabout and take the first exit. Take the first
Ferry
exit
traffic,
now.
this is us here. This is all very new.
Thank you. Priority boarding.
Ooh, priority boarding.
Is that right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yep. Are your reg number? Brilliant. Thank you.
Well, that was very, very simple and easy. Well, we're going on the ferry now. Kel's a bit overexcited. We've obviously got priority boarding here. And
What do I do?
I don't know, I think follow that up there maybe.
Do I go up? Just straight?
Yeah, I'd say so.
do-
No, that's lorries, I think. There's a van up there. You'd have to reverse down. Can you imagine if you have to do a 3-point turn up here?
I'm not bothered.
Yeah, I think go straight through.
Well, it's a bit shit not telling you. They're all there in the thingy, aren't they?
Well, we're on. We're on. Good. Well, this is how we do our 2-hour crossing. Nice little deck here, little bar, tea facilities. Just coming into port here in Larne. Very smooth crossing. Right, we're off out of the port.
Thank you.
Into the rain.
In down.
Unbelievable.
Irish rain. We've gone from Scottish rain to Irish rain.
Right, we have that.